Dave here in the Golf Cart Garage with a very quick heads up for everyone that contacts us wanting a catalog to flip through and browse all the awesome parts, accessories, chargers, tires, and more that we carry for your golf cart. And because we have friendly customer care specialists ready to help via phone, email, texting, online chat, maybe carrier pigeon too, I don't know. We've gotten a ton of requests for a catalog from people who prefer seeing everything all at once instead of searching a website. But paper catalogs get lost in the mail, take a long time to deliver, sustain water damage, so we decided it would be great to have a waterproof catalog that delivers instantly. Check out the address on your screen or the link in the video description below, and you'll find our brand new online catalog. We've put together a beautiful digital document blending all of our favorite brands, parts, and accessories. So complete and updated that some of it isn't even featured on our website yet. Now you can view or download our catalog and browse in full color right from your phone, laptop, or tablet and see everything all in one place. You can even go ahead and print out a copy if you want. It's a good-looking catalog.
We don't need to print the internet.
Okay, just like a certain insurance company, maybe we can't stop you from becoming your parents, but we can make it easy to see everything the Golf Cart Garage has to offer, however you prefer to view it. And this idea came from customer feedback, which we take pretty seriously around here. So if you need help with your golf cart parts, diagnosis, tech help, or anything else, just get in touch. Stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. And hey, while you're here, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.